guys, so I just wanted to film a quick comparison video of these are in the B6 sizes, the Cream Croc, the Taupe, and the Lychee White, because I feel like those are like really popular colors, and I know that I was looking for a video where I kind of like saw all three because I couldn't really decide which ones to get, and some were like in stock at one point and then not in stock at other points. So yeah, I just wanted to do kind of like a quick video showing you guys the comparisons, and showing you guys like side by side and stuff like that. So obviously this is the Cream Croc, this is the Taupe, and this is the Lychee White. So I guess like I can do like a side by side of kind of like what they look like. So obviously this is more of a sand color, and this is definitely white. I mean, I would definitely say this is not like a total white. It's more like an off-white. So if you're looking for something more, even more of like an ivory, I would say, like a slight ivory. It's definitely not like white, which I prefer this color anyways over like a true white. And this is the planner that I just got today. So this is the Cream Croc. It does have the shadowing on it, but that literally doesn't bother me at all. I know that some people apply acetone to it to get rid of it, but I kind of like almost don't want to ruin it because I don't know how the planner is going to feel, if that makes sense. So I would prefer just to kind of leave it as it is. I don't know, maybe if I get tired of it and I just want like a true white, then maybe I'll do it at that point. But yeah, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys just like a side by side in case you are interested, in case you don't know like which color to get, and hopefully this helps you make up your mind. So I guess I will hold them like this. Maybe that helps in terms of like the color comparison, and then also a view from the top as well, and a view from this side as well, and from the bottom. If I had to pick one, I don't know, it's hard because this I just got today, so like I'm really excited to like start using it. I've been using this one for a while, and I haven't used this one yet because this one was like the second one that I got. I got this one first, then I got this one, then I got this one. So I think I'm gonna like use this one and then, I don't know, switch into one of these afterwards. But yeah, so hopefully, oh, I guess maybe I can talk a little bit about the leather also. Literally, they all smell like leather. There's no, like chemically smell or anything like that. This doesn't, to me, like this doesn't feel plasticky at all. The lychee leather is, you know, obviously it's softer and more like malleable, just because of the leather type, but this is like also pretty soft as well. But obviously, like you can tell from this angle, like they're two different types of leathers. So, but yeah, so I don't know. This is like really nice. Actually, this is nicer than like I thought it was gonna be, because I did see some reviews and some people said that this to them felt like there was some sort of scent, or it was like chemically and stuff like that. I literally did not find that at all. This came from AliExpress, and these two came from Amazon. So literally had no problem with the shipping, no problem with the quality, just amazing quality, amazing products, amazing prices. Definitely would be purchasing more in the future. I think I want to maybe get like the personal Versa. I'm not sure yet. I think that might be like the next one, or I also might want to try like the Croc in the black. I think that would be really pretty as well. So yeah, I just thought I would do like a quick comparison in terms of like the colors and the leathers in case you wanted to pick one up and you didn't know like which color to get. Maybe this video helps you out in terms of like preference and what you may like or what you may not like. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and let me know if you have a Moterm, and if you do, what is the Moterm cover that you're currently using, and what color. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.